Hi guys, welcome to Mindful Vibing Academy. I'm Kriti and today we will be working out with a little bit of air dry clay and we will be trying to make some cute trinket vases with air dry clay. I'll be taking you with the step by step of how to get a completed vase. So let's get started. So to get started, take a hollow cylindrical shape like this. I got mine from a tissue paper and then you can just cut it down into two pieces. Here I am using some air dry clay and I'm kneading it thoroughly to make it consistent and easy to work with. Now I'll roll it out in a 1/4 inch thickness and then I'll be using the cylindrical shape to make a circular shape out of it. This will be making the base for our vase. So you just have to put an indent and then you can cut it through with a craft knife as I do, or you can also cut it out completely using the cylindrical shape. After you are done cutting, you can just press the edges down a little bit with your hands to make it a little bit smoother at the ending. Now I'll be working with the rest of the air dry clay to make the rest of the portion of the vase. Also remember to keep your air dry clay in a plastic container or an airtight container to keep it moisturized and not let it dry. Now I'll be keeping the cylindrical shape, the half cylindrical shape over it and then cutting it out according to the length of it. You can just make a slight indent on one end if you're not able to cut it completely. You can also use a ruler for this purpose. Now take the cylindrical shape and wrap the air dry clay around it to see if the size is according to its measure. When wrapping your air dry clay at the cylindrical shape, make sure that it overlaps a little bit so that you are able to attach both the ends very clearly. Now I'll be doing the exact same process for the next cylinder as well. After I'm done with this, I'll be wrapping out the cardboard cylindrical shapes into cling wrap. I'll be doing this for both of the cylindrical portions. After I am done wrapping the cylindrical portion, I'll put the air dry clay at the bottom as well as on the cylindrical periphery of the cylindrical shape, just to make sure that it is of right size still. We use the cling wrap here to avoid the air dry clay from sticking to the cardboard. Tap the surface of the air dry clay slightly to overlap with each other. You can also use a little bit of water like I've used right here to join all the surfaces together. You can keep smoothing out the surfaces and sticking them together using water. After you are done with the final surface, you can use the letter stamps to imprint the letters on the air dry clay. I have chosen the words pause and be kind for my vases, but you can feel free to choose whatever words you would like to put on your vase. This is how the final vases look, and now I'll be keeping them out to dry. Now these are the dried out vases. To smoothen out the surface, I'll be using a little bit of sandpaper. And here is the final product. Now to make them waterproof, we will be using Mod Podge. So I try using 2 layers of Mod Podge to make it completely waterproof, but you can also try using just one. Also, one thing that I realized was when I put the Mod Podge directly on the dried surface, it became a little bit yellowish in color after it dried. So for the next one, I tried acrylic colors, acrylic white color. After you're done painting with your acrylic color, you can let it sit for some time for it to dry. After the acrylic paint has dried, you can go ahead with the Mod Podge layer on it. So I did the Mod Podge layer on this one after the acrylic colors, and here is how both of them turned out. I really hope you like the video and you try your hands at it. If you want to watch more such videos, then you can just comment in the comment section below and let me know what you want to watch next, and I'll try to get my hands on it and share the processes with you. Also, if you want me to work out something related to polymer clay, you can also comment that in the comment section. If you like this video, like it and share it with your friends and family. Try these out. These are very fun activities, so try it out with your friends and family and you'll enjoy it even more. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.